This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then you need to enter the about device category over here. After that, open up the storage page, or actually you can even see how much memory you have even at the general specs page. So in my case it is 256 gigabytes in total, and 66.6 of it is currently in use. And if you tap at the storage field, you'll be able to look up the detailed breakdown on which category of things occupies which part of your space. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.